Light is an electromagnetic radiation that is found within a certain part of the electromagnetic spectrum, and light is clear to the human eye. And its wavelengths range from 380 to 730 nanometers. That is, between infrared and ultraviolet rays. 1. And the main source of light on the surface of the Earth is sunlight, where the energy emitted from the sun arrives as light, to contribute to the creation of sugars and green plants as part of a process known as photosynthesis. 2. In the past, fire was one of the important sources of light, then humans relied on modern lamps and electric lighting. 3. There are some types of animals that emit light from their bodies such as fireflies, English, fireflies. 4. And some types of squid. 5. Thermal emissions are one of the forms of light sources. And the heat is emitted in them in all directions, and they reach the absorption surface at the speed of light, and they do not need a conductive medium. Examples are the sun heating the surface of the earth. 6. Historical background. The ancient Greeks were the first to come up with a few theories related to light. And these theories remain prevalent without any scientific evidence confirming their validity. 7. Muslim scholars during the Middle Ages had a great role in verification. From these theories, Al-Husayn ibn al-Haytham emerged, who proved the explanations of the nature of light, and its main function. He provided explanations about mirrors, the state of eclipses, and explained, in the science of optics, the process of vision. The nature of light. Scientists have remained for hundreds of years. The Sunnis are arguing about whether or not light is a type of wave. In the 17th century, the English scientist Isaac Newton, who was the first to study matter and its properties in detail, had theorized that light was a continuous stream of particles. But it was opposed by the Dutch scientist Christian Huygens, whose theory considered light to be waves. The difference over the nature of light remains until now, due to the fact that the light carries the characteristics of a wave such as reflection. Moreover, light also bears the characteristics of a continuous stream of particles. And in the 20th century, physicists came to the conclusion that light can be considered both particles and waves at the same time, and this property acquired the name of wave-particle duality. Light reflection and refraction. When light falls on a surface between two materials with different refractive indices, two things will happen. Reflection of incident light at an angle between the line perpendicular to the surface and the line of light falling on it. That is, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, and the refraction of light at an angle depends on the angle of incidence and the type of material, and therefore the light will pass through the surface with different refractive index. If the material allows light to pass through it, transparent,